All right, let's jump right in. Today, we're looking at something that's, well, it's completely changing the game in the wellness world. It's a business model that's essentially created an engine that lets almost any business start offering serious medical-grade health products. So let me just throw a question at you. What if your local gym, or maybe that supplement store you go to, what if they could prescribe medical-grade treatments? I'm talking about things like the GLP-1s for weight management, Ozempic, that kind of thing, or even advanced hormone therapies, all under their own brand. The demand for this stuff it's just off the charts. And that one little question, it unlocks a massive, massive opportunity.
And really, it's no exaggeration to call it a gold rush. People today are super informed. They're not just looking for basic vitamins anymore. They want the real deal, solutions that are backed by science and actually work. This has created this enormous hunger in the market, just waiting for businesses to step up and feed it. But, and this is a big but, here's the catch. Cashing in on this trend isn't as easy as, just sticking a new product on the shelf. For most companies, trying to get into this space means entering this incredibly complex, honestly, it's an intimidating maze of medical regulations and logistics.
And this is what that maze looks like up close. I mean, you've got these insane regulatory hurdles, HIPAA for patient privacy, legit script certification if you're online. Then you need to find doctors licensed in all 50 states. Good luck with that. Then there's the absolute nightmare of pharmacy logistics and fulfillment, not to mention the risk of sinking all your cash into inventory that might not sell. And the software, most of it is totally outdated for this kind of thing. It's just a giant wall of no. So, how do you get past that wall? Well, what if you didn't have to? A new model has come along that doesn't just help you find your way through the maze, it lets you fly right over it. The best way to think about it is like an engine. A powerful engine you can just plug right into your brand. And this is the core idea. It's beautifully simple. Your brand, you get to keep what matters most: the relationship with your customer, the marketing, and of course, the revenue. Meanwhile, the engine, a company like Axentra Health, handles all the messy, complicated stuff in the background. We're talking the doctors, the legal compliance, the pharmacies, the shipping, all of it. I mean, this quote really nails it, right? You bring the brand, we bring the engine. It's such a clean, powerful split. It lets you focus on what you're actually good at, building that community, building that trust in your brand, while the engine gives you all this medical and logistical firepower that was, frankly, impossible to get on your own before. So there's a name for this whole model. It's called White Label Wellness as a Service. And the most important part of that is turnkey. You know what turnkey means, right? It means it's all done for you. Everything is included, ready to go from day one. You just get the keys, turn the ignition, and boom, your business is now a provider of medical-grade wellness products. Okay, so let's pop the hood on this thing. What are the actual parts, the gears and pistons, that make this engine run so smoothly? How does it actually work? From your customer's point of view, it's incredibly smooth. Step 1, they visit a beautiful online store that has your branding all over it. Step 2, behind the scenes, that store is plugged into a totally compliant electronic health record system. Step 3, your customer has a quick telehealth call with a licensed doctor. Step 4, if it's right for them, a prescription gets sent automatically to an accredited pharmacy. And Step 5, the product shows up at their door. In a package with your logo on it, it's totally seamless, zero friction. And get this, the platform is the whole package. It's not just one piece of the puzzle. It's got the telehealth workflows, the secure pharmacy and EHR hookups, all the logistic compliance is baked right in. It even gives you access to Quest for blood panels and handles a payment processing. It's literally the full A to Z end-to-end solution. So what kinds of things can a business sell through this? Oh, just about everything that's hot in wellness right now. We're talking the big stuff. Metabolic optimization with those GLP-1 meds, longevity and cellular health with things like NAD+ and peptides, and even performance and recovery treatments. This isn't just some small add-on. For a brand, this is a massive upgrade to what they can offer their customer. Okay, that all sounds fantastic on paper, but what about the results? What actually happens to a business's bottom line when they plug this engine in? Let's get into the tangible results. And wow, the results really do speak for themselves. The numbers are pretty staggering. We're seeing an average revenue increase of 47%. Customer retention is almost 90%, which makes sense, right? These are products people come back for. And maybe the best part? Because they're not dealing with inventory, their margins are 65% higher. It's an absolute game changer financially. But it's not just about the numbers. Listen to this from Dr. Sarah Johnson. She owns a med spa.
She said one of the biggest, kind of hidden benefits was just time. The fact that all the compliance was built in saved her team countless hours of headaches and paperwork.
Then you've got Mark Thompson, a director at an HRT clinic. For him, it was all about the customer experience. He said setting up the online store was super easy, and it meant his patients could just order what they needed without having to call in. It just removed all that old school friction.
And one more from Lisa Rodriguez, a practice manager. She talks about how much more efficient her team became. The integration with their other software was so seamless, it saved her staff hours every single week. So you see, it's not just about making more money. It's about making the whole operation run smarter. Okay, so let's pull back for a second. What does all of this really mean? Because this is bigger than just a cool new service. This is a fundamental shift in the entire wellness landscape, especially in who gets to be a player. What this model is really doing is it's democratizing access. It's taking this power that used to be locked up tight with huge clinics and pharma companies, and it's putting it in the hands of a whole new group of people. Your local gym, your supplement store, even a single entrepreneur with a loyal following can now compete on a whole new level.
And that leaves us with a really fascinating question to chew on. When any trusted brand can become a true health brand, when all those barriers between what customers want and the medical solutions they need just disappear, who's the real winner? Is it the business? Is it the customer? Or maybe, just maybe, is it one of those rare situations where everybody wins? It's a pretty big shift to think about, isn't it?